guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nima Nambe, and I'm here again with another video. Today we are going to be talking about 10 business ideas that can give you cash in Ghana. Let's get right into the video. Business idea number 1: cleaning services. This particular business does not involve a lot, okay? All you need is the cleaning detergents, the cleaning items, the mops, the buckets, the brushes, okay? And then you just need to get a few people around, okay, in your area. Let's say people that are willing to do this job with you. You don't necessarily have to do it yourself, and if you have to do it yourself, if you have the time, oh, that's a plus on your side, okay? So you just contact these people. Anytime you get the job, they go do it, and then you guys share the money. It's very, very lucrative, okay? So you can just make a poster or a sticker, and your contacts will be around. Anybody who needs to clean the home, offices, the workplace, anywhere that needs to be cleaned and they don't have the time or the luxury to do the cleaning. So that's it. They contact you, and then your guys go to do the work and you get paid. You fetch for them and then keep the rest to yourself. That is the cleaning. Next business idea I want to share with you guys is food business. Okay, guys, who doesn't like food? Even if you don't like foods, you need food to survive, okay? So everybody like foods, but then it's not everybody who can cook foods, okay, who have the time to prepare their own food. So people go about getting food from outside, okay? So this business, you don't even need to get your own place like a bar or set up all those places for food. You can actually start it from home, okay? So this home food business is very lucrative at the comfort of your home, where you have the time and to be able to do other household choices. You can also do this food business, okay? All you need is the packaging material, okay? Packaging is very, very important, and then the internet to showcase your products, okay? Once you are able to cook and then show it pictures on the internet, and then everybody can see what you have done, and then people eat with their eyes first before, okay? So packaging is very, very important when you are doing this business. Some of the food business ideas that you can actually do from home includes soups and stews, cakes and pastries. If you know how to bake, that is just good, okay? Pastries and cakes and pizzas. I actually do that. I do pizza at home, okay, and it's very, very lucrative. So anything at all that you can do very well with your hand and then people love it, you consider doing it at home. It's very lucrative. Our next business idea that can fetch us cash in Ghana is thrift clothing and shoes business. Yes, who doesn't buy thrift clothing? I love them, okay? So you can actually get these clothing and shoes at a cheaper prices in the market, and then put them online, okay? Put them on your social media handles, okay? Put them there, and then people are going to see how attractive they are and then purchase them from you, okay? So you can actually get at a low price in the market and then sell it and get a very high profit from it. Let's say you buy this kind of dress for like 5 Ghana cedi. You wash it, make it nice, iron it, and then take a good picture of it and put it on social media. You can actually sell it at 50 Ghana cedis. See the difference in profit, girl. You are going to be making a lot out of this thrift clothing and shoes business, okay? So let's get into the next business idea. Oil perfume business. Yes, who doesn't want to smell good? As we want to look good when we are going out, is the same way we want to. Everybody wants to smell good, okay? So consider getting into this type of business. When you are buying them in bulk, you are going to be getting a lot of profit retailing. Let's say you buy this perfume in bulk for like 10 pieces of them, and you bought one. As in the bulk purchase, one price for let's say 20 Ghana cedi, and you are going to sell it 50 Ghana cedi. Go! Oh guy, you are going to be making huge profit, okay? Consider it. Go online and then go into places that you can actually get them at a good price and then come and retail it. You're going to be making a lot. Our next business idea is delivery and career business, okay? You know, everything is online now. People buy fruits online, whatever it is, people buy online, okay? And they might not want to go to where actually they are buying it from to pick it up, okay? So this delivery service is booming nowadays in Ghana. So all you need is your motorbike, okay? Your helmets, your carrier, okay? Your delivery box. You might not also necessarily have to do it yourself. So let's say if you're a 9 to 5 worker, you don't have the luxury of time to do that kind of business, you just need to get someone to do it for you, and then you guys can share the profit, okay? So that's it. So delivery service is very booming in Ghana, and it's growing fast. People are making huge amounts of monies in this business. Guys, makeup business. And ladies, okay, it's not only ladies that sell makeup, guys can also sell makeup, okay? Who doesn't use makeup? Well, though I don't have, but I did, because I used something on this my baby hairs. Oh, they have refused to lay down. Okay. All right, that's just by the way. So everybody in one way or the other is using makeup, okay? Those who don't even put it on their face, on their lips, yeah. So everybody use makeup. Most people use makeup, and we love it, okay? So as we love using makeup, that is how much we buy it, okay? We purchase all these makeup products. So consider selling makeup products, okay? It has a lot of profit in it, so consider selling makeup products. Guess what? Rentals. You can rent anything. People want to use items or certain machines, but they don't have it on their own, so people go into rentals, okay? Very lucrative. Let's say the entertainment industry, or let's say the entertainment sector. People want to use speakers for their ceremonies, okay? People rent those kind of items. Their tents, you know, the tents, the speakers, anything at all that you need to use for a ceremony that you cannot just buy to use it for the ceremony. So people rent those kind of items, okay? And then some machines, let's say a car, you can even rent your car. If you have one, you can actually rent your car. Let's say you used it for work, so days that you are not going to work with your car, you can actually rent it out. Don't let it be sitting for nothing. Let it be an asset, okay? Rentals is very, very lucrative. You can make extra cash on your machines, okay? Do you have interest in organizing events, planning events? Consider making cash, good cash out of your interest, okay? Make good cash out of event planning. You know, a lot of people are doing these ceremonies, which is so stressful. They don't want to, overwhelm themselves during those ceremonies. They need somebody to help them, and that is it. You can make cash from events planning, okay? Be an events planner and make few extra cash, you know. Get me? Yeah, I know some of you will take this idea. Consider it. So hair care or salon business. Yes, you know, you can put up a shop, a barber shop, a salon. If you can put up those shop which need a lot of money to start with, you can actually do it like a visit. You visit people at their homes and then render that service to them. Let's say barbering, somebody wants to barber, they call you and you come to do the barbering for them, okay? Somebody wants to do their hair. Let's say you can even brand it, you know. Let's say natural hair care, and then anything at all that they want to do with their natural hair, you are able to fix it for them, and you are going to be making a lot of money from it, okay? Let's say the natural hair, you know, each product are different, you know, from the other permed hair. So natural hair care service, people are going to love your service. You just learn how to do it very nicely, and they are going to love it, okay? Yeah, so you can even sell product alongside that. So as you render that service to them, you are selling products, making money, okay? The last business idea I'll be sharing with you in this video is home decor. Yes, people get their homes and they need it to be decorated. Let's say someone just had the apartment, the person don't know where to put this furniture, or what type of furniture to put there, what type of furniture should be in the dining hall, and all that. They need ideas or they need help. If you have this knowledge in home decoration, guy, this business is for you. So all you need is to put your contact in the social media, and then people are going to be calling you. Okay, people are going to be calling you for these services, and if they love it, oh guy, you have made it. Okay, this brings us to the end of this video. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe, okay, for more interesting videos. Thank you so much for being with me. Bye.